Hi everyone, I'm your AI host for today's video, and today I'll show you how to create your own professional AI influencer using free AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own professional AI influencer and place them anywhere you imagine, from travel destinations and cafes to fashion shoot and food reviews. This AI influencer doesn't exist. It was created from a single selfie. Let's build this from scratch.
Are you ready to create your AI influencer? Open ChatGPT and start by uploading a clear front-facing photo. The better the photo, the better your AI influencer will look. Now I am going to give myself a professional look. Here is the exact prompt I am using. Everything up to this point works for everyone. I am adding one extra instruction to match my personal brand. You can replace this with your own channel name, business name or personal logo. Small branding details like this make your AI content look much more professional. And here we go. And just like that, you have created your first AI influencer. This image looks amazing. But what if you never needed another photo shoot again? Let's see how many professional photos we can create from this single image. Instead of starting from scratch, I will use this image as my reference. That's helped me keep the same identity across every new photo. The only thing I'm changing is the pose. Now let's create it, and here is the result. Let's build an entire professional photo shoot. Different scenes, different angles, different moments, same AI influencer, same office. One selfie, endless AI photos. Creating multiple photos is impressive, but every image still looks like it belongs to the same photo shoot. Let's completely transform our AI influencer. Now again open ChatGPT. We'll use this image as our base image. Here we are only changing the location and outfit. And this is the result. Now watch how quickly we can reinvent the same person. I'm simply changing the outfit and the location. Dress her in premium winter jacket, scarf and hiking boots. Place her in breathtaking Manali with snow-covered mountains in the background. And we are going to see the result. And that's just the beginning. Travel, fashion, food, business, education, all with the same AI influencer. Same face, endless possibilities. Now AI influencer is ready for any platform, any brand, any story. But there is one thing missing. She still can't talk. Now again open ChatGPT, upload your photo and write down, create a prompt to bring photo to life, and she says, a few moments ago I was just a photo. And here is the image to video prompt by ChatGPT. Simply copy it, and now in a new tab, open Google Flow, click on the first link, new project, and click on the plus icon and upload the same AI influencer as your reference image. Now click on add to prompt and paste your prompt here and click on generate.
A few moments ago, I was just a photo.
That looks surprisingly real. I will animate just one image, the rest I will show you directly.
And now, I can experience places I've never been. And to think, all of this started with just one photo.
Same face, endless possibilities.
And that's it. You've learned how to create a professional AI influencer with realistic photos and lifelike videos. Now it's your turn to bring your ideas to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Monica Techie World, and turn on notifications for more free AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.